Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Sathish.
And my name is Rohan Chimalapati.
And my name is Abhinav Bichal, and together we created the app OrangeAI. Personal fitness has skyrocketed in recent years, but health has failed to keep up. Nearly 50% of users discontinue use due to inconveniences and incompatible lifestyles. Specifically, COVID has heavily restricted both individual diet and exercise accessibility. Now more than ever, people want easier solutions. In response, we constructed a neural network to introduce picture-based calorie tracking with activity. We want to appeal to the millions of users who are put off by the work needed to be fit by having OrangeAI do the work for them.
OrangeAI's purpose is to combine convenience and vast functionality through Orby, encouraging users with an experience free of troubles. Ready to begin? Let's jump in. Here you see me make my account. The account is linked to Cloud Firebase and users can access their progress from any device. Data is secure. My fingerprint can be used to authenticate on top of the AES encryption. The Profile Real-Time Database SDKs use local cache so users can store their data offline as well. Here's the main page, a streamlined view of your daily caloric goals and suggestions. Orby gives suggestions based on your past data as well as weather APIs.
Moving on to diet tab, this page is focused on daily caloric consumption and macronutrient suggestions based on user data. Also, you can pick recipes that work best for you, and all of these diets are dynamically updated through our server hosting. Now for the flagship feature, Orby. As you can see here, say I wanted a Greek salad. Orby is able to find key features through a trained model and give a precise label to the food. Orby is extremely intelligent, immediately finding its nutrient values. Now I can press save to automatically log a serving, and after that I'm able to move back to the diet page with my food and history. Not only that, but Orby is robust and dynamic and can recognize over 2,500 foods. Here you can see Orby in action, recognizing multicultural foods and receiving precise macro values from each. Connection to USDA's Food Central API also means that you can search over 350,000 additional foods. Of course, that list includes an orange as well.
Next, we are directed to the Exercise tab. Here, the user is able to track activity with both exercise selections and a pedometer. Using linear acceleration, rotation vectors, and motion sensors, the phone is able to detect the user's steps accurately. The pedometer module runs on multi-threading processing to allow step tracking passively. So let's go biking. Similarly to the pedometer, the caloric values for each activity is based on a basal metabolic rate algorithm, giving users the flexibility for making lifestyle choices.
Changing profile picture and avatar lets the app give an experience personalized just to you.
Orby is able to achieve these results with the Sobel edge detection algorithm in order to determine the 2D spatial gradient measurement of an image by calculating each pixel energy. We converted the image into an n-by-n matrix and calculated derivative direction points for each pixel modeled by this equation. Each neuron has its own weight, which is passed through an activation function of the sum of all inputted values multiplied by their weights. We combine the convolution plus non-linearity with max pooling in order to fabricate a network of systematic layers, which is then converted with decimal classification. The model will instantaneously result in a concise value.
Created using Kotlin and Python, we thank the CIC for this project opportunity.